In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account and sign into Wix, then start building your store. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Wix.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to create one by clicking on the Sign Up button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Follow the prompts to enter your email and set a secure password. Once you've completed the sign-up process, or if you already have an account, go ahead and sign in. Upon signing in, you'll be welcomed by the Wix dashboard. This is your control center, where you'll manage your website. To start building your store, look for the option to create a new site and select e-commerce store as the website type. This will ensure you have all the necessary features to sell products online. Now that your store setup is underway, it's time to install a dropshipping app. This step is crucial as it allows you to expand your product offerings without carrying the actual inventory. From the Wix dashboard, find the option labeled Add Apps and click to open the Wix App Market. In the search bar, type AliExpress Dropshipping to see what's available. Popular choices include Sears and AliExpress Dropshipping by DIY. Browse through these apps, comparing their features and pricing. Some apps are free, while others may require a premium subscription, so choose one that aligns with your budget. Once you make a decision, click Add to Site to integrate it with your Wix store. With the dropshipping app added, the next step is to connect your AliExpress account to your new online store. The app will guide you through this process step by step. You'll be prompted to provide your AliExpress login details, so have your email and account information handy. Once entered, you may be asked to verify your connection via a code sent to your email. Complete this step to ensure seamless connectivity between your platforms. Now the fun begins, importing products. Start by browsing the AliExpress website for items you're interested in selling. As you find products that fit your store's niche, use the app to import them. This can usually be done by either entering the product link directly or through product IDs specific to AliExpress. Once the products are imported into your Wix store, take the time to personalize them. You can edit details such as the title, description, and images to better fit your store's branding before you hit publish. This step is essential not only for customization, but also for ensuring the information is clear and appealing to your customers. And there you have it, a fully functional online store ready for business. I hope you found this guide helpful. Once your products are published, you're ready to start marketing and taking orders. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.